Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Christopher Rausch, your No Excuses coach, doing a special TikTok here from Manhattan Beach, California. Down here visiting my buddy Scott and Thomas, just having a good time, good afternoon. Just had a great meal. Scott cooked us great steaks and everything. Now I'm just coming to you here, sending you guys love and sunshine from wherever you're at in the world, right? There's so much stuff going on in the world. If you're on TikTok and you're watching the stuff about Budweiser and transgender and guns and violence and everything else, it's easy to get torn apart. It's easy to have your heart broken. My heart is breaking right now for our country, ladies and gentlemen. It really is. I don't care if you're black, white, tall, short, gay, straight, Republican, Democrat, whatever. I don't. I love you as a human being. And what I want is for us to be able to talk to one another and listen to one another and try to find common solutions and common ground. We don't need the government to tell us what to do. We don't need the government to tell us on which side to be on. We're an American democracy, and we're a humanity. We're a humanity, ladies and gentlemen. You split us down the middle, we're more the same than we are different. I can give you blood and kidneys and everything. You can give me yours, no matter if you're black, white, straight, gay, brown, yellow, whatever fucking label you want to put on it. It's time we start acting like it. The world over, right? Let's not fight against each other. Let's fight against the laws that we want to change that protect our kids and protect ourselves and give us rights and freedoms that everybody can enjoy, not just a certain segment of the population. What about that? What about everybody gets to enjoy in the reward? How about there's some reciprocity? The rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. There's more homeless and everything else out there, but yet they just keep getting more and more money. When are we going to say stop? Just imagine what would happen if everybody stopped ordering from Amazon tomorrow. And just imagine if we started going back to local factories and started going back to buying from local mom and pop shops. Just imagine what kind of economy and create and whatever else we could do. We could truly change the world, guys, but we got to start talking to one another. So if you're one of those guys out there saying, those people, they all this, they all that, shut up for a second, fucking listen and say, hey, listen, you know what? I've been judging you. Let me hear what you got to say. Let me understand. So what brought you to that conclusion? What piece of evidence can I see that evidence? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about the perspective of that. Let's talk about how we can both agree to disagree, but ultimately say, okay, the problem is this. How do we solve it together? How do we solve it together? Not pointing fingers, not bringing your guns out and doing shit like that, but actually talking to one another and loving one another and seeing each other for beautiful people we are. I come out in the world, I say hi to everybody. And I have amazing conversations with everybody. It's incredible what it is that we can do. I'm out with these crazy dudes way down there. They left without me. I'm out with these crazy dudes. And it's just amazing. So go out there and live your life. Be beautiful to yourself. Love yourself first, please. Stop tolerating bullshit. Get out there, make a difference. Use your voice, use your power, use your wisdom to create community within your family and within yourself. I love you guys. NoExcusesCoach.com. Share this message out. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Let's go. Let's make this happen. All right? You with me? You with me? No Excuses Coach. Unstoppable. Bye, fuckers.